fine vehicle offered by Goodson Acura.
This is a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee for when safety, size, and space are of importance. It has a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a power driver's seat, a CD player, halogen headlights, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has fewer than 57,000 miles on the odometer. This Jeep has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Goodson Acura is located at 1750 East Airport Freeway in Irving. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.